I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to compare the both phones iQOO Z3 versus iQOO 7 device in terms of the Eagle Eye display enhancement versus the game display enhancement in the iQOO 7 device. So as friends, there are two different kind of enhancement features which is present in the both iQOO 7 device. That is what few of the users they are really interested to know which enhancement is kind of better. So that is the reason I thought of doing this kind of video comparing both phones side by side. As you can see here friends, clearly both are the iQOO smartphones only, iQOO Z3 and iQOO 7 device. Let me try to show you where you can find that options. If you try to go to the ultra game mode, so here there is an option which is called the Eagle Eye enhancement, and in the iQOO 7 device you do find the game display enhancement. As you can see, that's quite a different kind of terminology they did try to use in both phones. But let's see what will be the difference, how much difference you can actually expect between both phones using and without using. That is what I'm going to test right now. Let me try to start playing the game, which is the PUBG game right now. I'll try to play and I'll try to open in both phones at the same time. Let's see, by using the game display enhancement and by using the Eagle Eye enhancement, which phone will be having the better kind of visibility. That is what I'm going to check right now in this video. As you can see friends, right now I did try to open the PUBG game in both phones, and it is the iQOO 7 device. As you can clearly see, let me try to slightly show you the difference. Is there any kind of difference or not? That is what I'm trying to notice. So right now this is the iQOO Z3 device which is present here. Right now I'm trying to use the Eagle Eye as you can see here. Let me try to quickly enable that option. As you can see here friends, a little bit kind of color got changed and slightly enhancement has been done. As you can see this kind of shade which is going on around this dark scenarios, particularly with and without. As you can see friends, the difference. So you can observe this kind of colors in the grass as well, how it's kind of increasing. As you can see the colors. So now let me try to test in the iQOO 7 device, which has got the game display enhancement. So whether this will do that kind of effects or not, that is what I'm trying to see right now. So without and with using. As you can see, I did see a little bit kind of change is happening, but not much has the Eagle Eye display enhancement. That is what is present. So maybe this is the AMOLED display and that is the IPS LCD panel display. That is the reason maybe they did use different kind of terminologies. So game display enhancement versus the Eagle Eye view enhancement, I think so. But this is the quick comparison friends, and you can see the flickering is also going on in the iQOO 7 device if you notice, little by little, but not happening in the iQOO Z3 device in terms of the flickering. You can see same time. So that's a quite one thing which I thought of just mentioning you right now. Let me start the gameplay and show you the difference as well, a little bit kind of difference. So my next video will be on the voice changer features which is present in this iQOO Z3 device. I'll try to do a video on that particular topic friends, so make sure to stay tuned for that video in case if you're really interested on this kind of voice changer option which is present right now. I can do that video very soon, so in case if you're interested. Right now let me try to go to the grass and show exactly the result, what will happen if I try to use the game display enhancement in this particular area. I'm trying to just see what will happen in this kind of particular set. I'm trying to see down and let me try to enhance. As you can see, a little bit but not much. Let me try to do this same thing in this iQOO Z3 device. As you can see friends, a lot of colors got changed in iQOO Z3 when compared with this iQOO 7 device. But iQOO 7 device doesn't require any kind of this kind of enhancement because the display is really bright enough to give you the real colors when compared with the iQOO Z3 device. That is what I did feel during this time of testing. So thank you for watching this video friends. This is a quick comparison I just thought of mentioning for you all, and if possible I'll try to make another video as well demonstrating a live video. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos, and thank you for watching this video. And see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.